Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I'm the owner of Elite Business Insurance, a full-service, independent insurance agency where we specialize in all lines of insurance, and we shop you around to try to find you the best coverage for the absolute best price. Now, a lot of times people ask me, why do I buy insurance? What is insurance for? So I just want to give you a thorough explanation of the reason you purchase insurance and why it is a necessity. It's not just something that people want to do. Nobody wants to spend money on insurance. It's not preferable. It's mandatory in my mind. And the reason being, let me just give you a few examples. Car insurance, one of the leading causes of death in the United States, in the world. And it's due to people driving and they reckless, they take their eyes off the road for a second, and next thing you know, bam, car accident. You're going 70 miles an hour, your car crumbles, you cause major injury to somebody, you could damage somebody's property, extremely damage somebody's property, or you could even kill somebody, God forbid, in the case of a car accident. So if you're driving your vehicle without insurance and something happens to your vehicle, whether you're at fault or not at fault, you need insurance to protect your vehicle the right way. If you're driving the vehicle, if you're walking on the side of the road and you get hit with the vehicle, you need auto insurance to protect yourself the right way. So insurance regarding a car will protect your vehicle for the physical damage in case you're in an accident, regardless of who's at fault. If you come out of your house and all of a sudden your car is smashed, you have no clue who hit your car. There's nobody who's going to pay for it. So if you have insurance on that car, if you have physical damage, comp and collision on your vehicle, then your insurance company, regardless of who is at fault, you would call them up, you'd put in a claim, and they would pay for the actual cash value of your car. So you pay the insurance premium and they pay to replace your vehicle. If you're in an accident, if you're at fault, God forbid you cause a 10-car pileup, you smash into one car, they smash into another car, they smash into another car, they smash into another car. That's all going to come back on you. So if you don't have property damage coverage or good property damage coverage, sufficient property damage coverage, then you're going to be in a world of hurt financially. If one of those cars is a Mercedes, a BMW, a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, who knows? The list goes on and on. If you damage a car that's worth $100,000 and all you have is $10,000 worth of property damage on your auto insurance, then you're going to be hurting financially. So insurance is mandatory regarding auto insurance. Besides the fact that if you want to register your car, if you want to legally drive your car, state law, regardless of what state you're in, you have to carry some form of insurance in order to do so. You can't just drive without insurance. It's not fair to yourself, and it's not fair to the other people on the road. If we're dealing with homeowners insurance, a home, one of your most valuable assets that you're ever going to have in your life. If something happens to that home, if it happens to light on fire due to some sort of electrical problem, if it happens to get struck by lightning, if a hurricane comes and blows your home over, it causes major wind damage, rain gets into your home, destroys everything, destroys your home, destroys your contents. This is going to be one of your most valuable assets that you have. If you don't have insurance on it, or if you don't have sufficient insurance on it, you could be hurting financially very, very much because you do not have insurance on your home. Also, regarding a homeowner's policy, there's liability coverage involved in it. So if somebody gets injured, say it's snowing outside your home or it's just wet outside, and somebody slips and gets injured on your property, they could sue you because your property caused them to get injured. So you need to make sure you have liability insurance to protect you from being sued. Everyone is sue happy these days. And you need to make sure you have the proper replacement cost coverage on your home. God forbid something happens to it. One claim could cost you $30,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 in damages. So you need to make sure you have correct insurance for a few $100s a year, a few $1,000s a year, depending on the value of your home and where you're located. The insurance could save you financially. God forbid something happens to you. If you own a business and you're performing work, if you damage somebody's property while performing work, regardless of what sort of business you have, if you injure somebody, if you cause bodily injury to somebody, if one of your employees gets hurt, if one of your employees hurts somebody else, if you manufacture a product that gets everybody sick, these are extremely important things that you need to consider. And insurance protects you for all of these aspects of your business. So there's going to be a risk regardless of what business you have. If something happens due to your company's negligence and it causes harm to somebody else, you will be sued. Your whole business can get shut down. So you want to make sure you have sufficient insurance coverages to protect yourself and to protect the others. So that's just a few examples of what insurance is, how it could help you, how it could save your life financially, and why it's so important. So at Elite Business Insurance, we write all lines of insurance. We specialize primarily in the commercial insurance, but we write all lines. So we do the personal as well. So we could do the home, the auto, and then business insurance. We could do general liability, workers' comp, commercial auto, bonds, equipment, commercial property. You name it, we write it. So let us be your one-stop insurance shop. Give us a chance to handle all of your insurance needs. We offer 24/7 customer service, and we fight very hard to make sure that we provide you with the correct coverages for the absolute best price out there. So give us a call, give us a chance, 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.